How to set the action button to open all focus modes on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we go down, then tap on Action button. Next, swipe across and find Focus. And from the drop down here, you want to tap on it and make sure you select all focus modes. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if you press and hold on the Action button, this will open up the All Focus Mode screen, allowing you to choose which focus to turn on. So here I can choose Work Focus, or I can turn it off, or I can select Personal Focus, and I will turn that on. And here you can see it is turning on. Or I can just tap on here to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.